What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, something a little different I need to show you. I've been wanting to do this for a long time now. I know my family, my mom, especially my mom, they haven't wanted me to do this, but it's something I did, my whole life growing up as a kid, and always had dirt bikes and four-wheelers and all kinds of things. Back when I was 18, I broke my back on a four-wheeler, and that was the last time I rode. So yeah, it's been about 15 years, something like that. But yeah, I just want to jump on here, show you guys a quick little video, go and show you my new bike. And this is it. It is a Suzuki DRZ-400. It's a 2024. I only had 1 mile on it when I bought it, so pretty much brand new. But yeah, I really like it. Has a how you say that? Yashamara. I'm butchering this. Chinese exhaust, whatever that brand is. If you guys can. Yashamara, something like that, whatever it is. But yeah, has a $2,000 dual exhaust on this, and it sounds amazing. Very nice bike. It's a 400 SM. I left out the SM. But yeah, it has mirrors, everything you need. Very nice. I put like 19 miles on it right now. That's it. But yeah, it's a very nice bike. I never had anything brand new off the showroom floor, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, but this kind of whole like package coming like this is rare. I only found one. It's about an hour from Orlando. And when I saw this bike, I had to have it, because it's hard. It's hard to find them with that exhaust and being black. Has everything, black rims. I really like it. Sounds amazing too. I'll start it up for you guys real quick. Neighbors probably hate me right now. But yeah, very nice bike. Love it. I just got to do my motorcycle test, and I can take it on the road. So I've been just riding it around this parking garage for now. So I'm gonna go do that probably like next week or so. Yeah, I'll probably do my motorcycle test in the next week or so. What I was saying. But yeah, just wanted to hop on here. I feel, I don't know, it feels kind of unreal sometimes, getting them move and live here in Orlando, and, go to all the parks and make content for you guys. And now I got me a brand new bike. But yeah, you just got to watch out for the Florida drivers. It's the only thing here. But other than that, I'm excited. Yeah, I appreciate you guys watching. And if you will, give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. You want to be making more content. I got some horror conventions, Halloween content coming up for you guys here soon. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this video off with some shots of the bike, and nice shots, all waxed up for you guys. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.